How to log into American Express Platinum card. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing about logging into your American Express Platinum card, so let's get started. First of all, you have to go to the official website of American Express, that is americanexpress.com. And once you're on the official website of American Express, simply locate the login option that is in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. You will be then directly taken to the login portal, where you have to first enter the user ID in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. Then select the account type and check this box of Remember Me if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials for the future login. And in the case if you have forgotten your user ID and the password, click on this link over here and you will be able to successfully retry or reset your credentials. And in the case if you do not have an account yet, you can click on this link over here in order to create a new online account. And if you'd like to activate the new card, click on this option of Activate New Card and follow the on-screen instructions. After you have successfully logged in with your credentials, you will be able to manage your American Express Business Platinum Card account online. You can pay your credit card bill, see card statements, monitor your account activity, and change account information such as passwords and automatic payments. So this was all about it. This is how you can log into your American Express Platinum card. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.